guys, I hope you're having a great day. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I contour my face. Nose contour, hiding all this redness and oh yeah, my face routine. Very easy face contour I think as well, because I'm gonna be honest, I used to struggle with contour because I didn't know really where I'm placing what like in correct way. So if you struggle with coverage and all, yeah, I'm just gonna show you exactly how I contour my face and cover all this redness and all breakouts and everything. So without any further ado, let's just start. So I'm starting obviously from a clean and moisturized face. As you probably can tell, I have already a shadow. I filmed this look, it's up on my channel if you guys want to check it out. 5-minute makeup look. I mean, that's 10 plus best around 5 minutes, but yeah, super easy. So washed, clean face, moisturize. Then I'm going with the primer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fix and Conceal Primer. This one is mattifying one. I have super oily skin, that's why I'm going for mattifying one. It should be in now. You can see how red my cheeks are. This is like normal for me. If you have rosacea, you probably haven't seen it. So next thing I always do, I go with a foundation, but sometimes I cover up the rosacea first, then I go with foundation, or I go only with contour if my skin is behaving really good. I only go with like cream contour and kind of blended that out. But my skin looks very red at the moment because my rosacea is kicking in. So I'm gonna go with foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in a color Natural. And just tap it on, blend it on. I'm going in a tapping motion as you see, as I want to cover this up. So just building the coverage. Alright, so foundation is on. I do sometimes contour my face with cream contour, or I do powder contour, or I do both. I think for this video I'm gonna go with both. So for the cream contour I'm gonna use the Conceal and Define Infinite Concealers in C2 and C12. Start from the lighter, the C2. I'm gonna go under the eye area, starting from like more on the nose side, kinda in the eye corner, not really in the eye corner, no. More like on the nose side. I know if you follow like beauty gurus and all, they do face contour all in one go. I mean cream contour, I wouldn't recommend that. I mean placing the product everywhere and blending afterwards. I would go, you know, bit by bit in a little like sections, like a little space, then blend, then go with another one, because while you blend one side, you leave another side so it dries, therefore it's getting harder to blend it. So I would just go, you know, bit by bit, like, you know, do one side and move to another. Plus when you trying to find the shade that matches you the best, don't go for like super light, just go 2 shades, 3 shades lighter in your skin color, because otherwise it would just look, you know, ridiculous. And then just blend, but as I mentioned, bit by bit. Let's do maybe half face to see the difference. Okay, under our area is okay. Let's do blend that on the nose. So on the nose, I'm not putting too much of a product, as you see. Like I just do a little that, and then middle of the forehead, closer to the eyebrows, and then just blend it. Trying not to move around too much. I just want to like press the product exactly in the place where I applied it. Okay, we're gonna do under the jawline. Not on the jawline, but underline. This part. That makes sense. And like under the nose, I don't even know how you call this part. Here. Makes sense? Okay. Already we started to see more of a like a cheekbone going on, although I still haven't placed darker color. Already looks so different. I'm gonna put one in the middle here, and once again just like tapping motion, but I don't want this to move anywhere else. Let's go with a darker shade, C12. So for the cheekbone, we're gonna start very close to the hairline. Like, if you suck in your cheeks, we're gonna do slightly bit higher. So we're gonna blend down in the place where we apply. And I'm not going all the way through because we're gonna have enough product to dab around. So just till here, like till the middle. And then there's two ways of blending this. You can go this way to make it look skinnier, or if you want to build your cheekbone, you can go like this. That makes sense. Or this way, skinnier, or this, build a cheekbone, whichever you need. So starting blending from the outer corner. See, I can't talk. So I'm starting to blend closer to the hairline and blending it kind of to the hairline. A bit higher up. We want this color to be in there. And then what's left, like the product what's left, we're gonna go a bit down. So I'm not going all the way through this, all the way to build a cheekbone, as I do have good cheekbones. I just want to more like accent it. So I just go till here literally. I'm not doing this and I'm not doing that, but it's totally up to you. I'm gonna go a little bit on the jawline. Bend it up again. Guiding motion, no dragging anywhere. If you think that is a little bit too dark, take it on the side of your sponge and press it in. Because the sponge is still in the band, it kind of suck it in with this product. Let's go higher up, the forehead, once again, dots. That's more than enough. And blend in a tapping motion. Not going like this, just in a tapping motion. I don't really like to do super intense contour, like, you know, in your face. I like it to be more like subtle and more kind of natural looking. Although it's still a contour, you still can see it, but it's not like, you know what I mean, like sharp. Because that's not me. Like, if you're into that, go for it, you know, it's your face. Do whatever you wish. But I prefer more of a subtle, still visible, but not like super cut sharp, you know? That makes any sense. Okay, let's contour nose a bit. I'm gonna do one side. So I'm going just like a tiny bit. It's more than enough product. And then on the bottom of the nose, like under the tip of your nose. And once again, tapping motion. Okay, so half of the face is like semi-done. Can you see a difference? Looks like this cheekbone is like sucked in. Look at that. This looks like more puffed. Like this cheek. Like underneath looks like it then in. And the nose looks already like smaller from this side. Okay, let's do the side to match it up. Alright, so we already got this subtle contour going on. Next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna powder this up. So for that I'm gonna use the translucent loose setting powder. This one is by Makeup Revolution. So I'm not gonna go with a crazy amount of powder, as I just want to set it, as my skin is oily, in the places where it's oiliest. So like around the nose, the eyes, in the places I want it to stay, like not to crease. That's why it would be under the nose. I'm not gonna go with like crazy amount, as I'm not doing baking or anything, you know. Just like a light dab. And as you see, I'm patting. Once again, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm not swiping around, as I don't want to move the foundation that we just applied. And this contour, I want it to be in the same place. That's why I do the tapping motion only. Bit of forehead. So this is where I'm getting oily. And a bit on the chin. Okay, and that should do. So next thing, powder contour. For a powder contour, you could skip it because you did already the cream contour. You could obviously do the stronger cream contour that would stand out and be like super sharp. As I mentioned, I went for a soft one, and so I'm still gonna go with the powder contour. So for the powder contouring, I'm gonna use a contour and glow palette by Revolution, darker shade. The one, as you see, is been used in a bit. We're gonna use this highlighter, which is dark as well. I'm gonna use 125 brush by BH Cosmetics. For the cheek contour, I'm gonna start again closer to the hairline, like in a little movements. I'm not gonna start in here because we want the darker part to be here rather than here. That makes sense. So what's left gonna end up in here, but we can start from here. So close to lash line. And then I'm just moving the brush like backwards and forwards. You see the line is already here. We can just blend it up. So the reason why I start closer to the hairline is because I want this part to be darker. Because imagine starting here, we're gonna end up with all the products sitting here rather than here. And this is not what we want. So once again, close to the hairline. Line. Feel like you went too strong with a powder, you're like, oh my god. Just take your beauty blender, the same sponge you used before that is still damp, and like gently tap on the top, and that will, you know, absorb all the extra powder because it's still wet. So that will save your day. And remember, don't go too high. You don't want your cheekbone to be here. And don't go too low because that would just drag your face. If you can't find your cheekbone, do this. Follow this line. Let's go to the nose contour. So I'm just taking the flat, like soft brush. It's not super dense or anything. As you see, I have some product on already. I'm going like sideways. Any sense at all. I think it's easier to watch what I do than for me to explain it. Don't make your nose obviously super slim because that would just be ridiculously looking. Once again, going on the bottom of the tip a bit to the like sides, and then blending this with a damp sponge with same I just used. So I don't want it to be super intense, I want it to be blended, so just tapping on the top, no, you know, moving around or anything, just tapping this on top. That's already better. Then what I do, I take an Intensia brush, same shade, and going like on the tip in the middle to create this shade. Next up is a blush. So for blush, I'm gonna use a NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm gonna go with this nice color. So with blushes, usually it's made to be super intense, like super pigmented. So just try to get a bit on your hand to see if you have too much product. See? As because you don't want it to be super intense. Just a little bit tiny pop of a blush. So start from the cheeks, like from middle, from apples to my cheek. You can smile if that's easier for you. And then I'll kind of go upwards to here. Okay, now for the highlighter. Coming back to the same palette, Contour and Glow, darker highlighter shade. And just going on the top of the cheekbones. The parts where the sun would hit naturally. A bit of the nose. Now, just like in the middle of the eyebrows a bit. That brightens it up. And the cupid's bow. And the contour is complete. What do you guys think? Super easy, I think. I do contour my lips as well. I haven't done it this time, but most of the time do. But that would just take too long to show it all. If you wish, I can do a little video on that. It's super easy and makes your lips look bigger. But yeah, this is complete. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Maybe I should do the lip contour video. I actually have 3 methods of how to make your lips appear bigger. 4 actually. Yeah, I do have 4 methods. So maybe I should do that video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Have a great day, guys. See you soon. Bye.